All right, as you can see, my localhost is not actually working. Why? Because I have not on um my example, and you can see I have to just start it right now before it start working. Okay, so right now what I want to do is that by the time I reload it back, it's obviously gonna work. So if you're trying to run a test and you discover that this thing is not actually working, you just have to make sure that you start your exam before you start, running your web development. Okay, so I think I've done it. While it's still loading. Anyways, let me off the internet right now. I think I have to do that. Yeah. Okay, so let me connect it back. So it doesn't really matter at times. That's how it works. So this is where we actually stop. We've not, so in this tutorial what we want to do is I want to add our menu. So how can we actually add our menu? That is what we want to take a look at. Okay, all right, let's we are going to add our menu and create more menu in this section. Like I said, it's an education consult website. Okay, so we have not yet logged in, so let's just press wp-admin. You have to ensure that everything is in small letter, wp-admin. Okay, I've done that, so it's going to take me to a place where I'll be able to log in. Don't forget, you should remember your username and password that you use during the process of creating database. All right, so we are in the login section now. So what we want to do here is that we scroll down to menu. So we want to make all our pages clickable so that you'll be able to see, like here now. Let me show you something. This thing is not obviously showing, it's just blank. You can see, and this is not what we want. All right, so we want to add some menu here, and here you just come straight down to appearance. You go to menu. So by the time you scroll down to menu, you see some pages that I've successfully created. You make it as a menu. So obviously you're unable to click all these things at add menu items until you create a menu section by yourself. So menu name, I will call it main menu. So by the time you create, it's not going to give you that access to what creating your own intentional menu. You can see this thing is now available for us to start clicking on. This. Okay, so what I want to do here is that it's not going to ask you menu settings. You want it to be at the main, at the main. So just make sure that it's at the main and at the mobile. So click the two. So now, if you don't want to do that, you can add menu by your pages, you can add menu by your post, you can add menu by custom links, you can add menu by categories, you can add menu by menu icon settings. So all of these we will actually touch. If not all, we touch most of it. So how can you now add menu by page? When you click on page, you're going to have a drop down telling you all those pages that you actually created. You can view all. If you've not seen it all, you can see we only created 3 pages, which is home, about us, and contact us. So here we just want to add it. Just click on it, bam. All right, so by the time you click on it, just click on add. So it's going to shift to this menu structure. Okay, you can see you have home, about us, and contact us there. So all you have to do is just click on save. So by the time you do that and go back to your website and reload it, you already see that okay, you have your menu. But this is not what we actually wanted. It's actually getting to the extreme end at the right hand side. So we want everything to be located at the center. So how are we going to make this happen? All right, let's go back to our menu bar, our dashboard. No, sorry, these are dashboard. So what I want to do is that number one, what I want to do is that I want to ensure that the education consult, our websites, I want all these things to be in caps lock. So I just have to scroll down. Probably I just have to rename up home. Okay, just scroll down. You can see about contact contact us. All right, so let's go down and save it back. So let's go back to our menu and reload it. You can see you have home, about, and contact. So you can see one search icon at this angle. I don't want it. I just want everything to be normal. So what I'll do here is this. I'll add some more menu to our website, and you see there's a line, thin line here after the edu consult name, there's a thin line here, we are actually going to remove it. So how are we going to do all those things? So guess we are here, we're going to do it together, so stay connected. Okay, so what we want to do here is that let's go back to our and add some couple of pages. So what I would do is that I still want to add more pages here, so I'll go to pages. So because pages is what I want to use for my menu, so all pages, once I do that, it's going to load for a while. So I need to have people that actually want to study abroad and the O level. Okay, so here I just have to add more menu. Okay, we have to be fast about it because of time. I have to be fast about it because of time. All right, so here I'll add more menu, like study abroad. Like if you really want to study abroad, what are those things that you need to pass, like exams? Study abroad. You can see study abroad, I published it. Abroad. Okay, I have to publish it, so I have to be fast about this. Let me go back again and create another page. So under study abroad, I want to have some IELTS. I have to publish it. Yeah, I go back again, add new, TOEFL, TOEFL, publish it 2 times, pound. All right, so I have to go back again, GMAT. I've already have these things in mind that this is what I want to write. So one thing about designing a website, you have what you want to do before you start working, so that you're not be roaming about thinking of how you're going to do about it. So I already have it in mind, or how the structure of all my websites will look like. I've been working on some couple of tutorials on how to create a user experience and user design, UI and UX, so you understand it very much better as we move on. Start GRE. Okay, publish. Okay, so let's go back. Do I have SAT before? Okay, I think I have to add SAT. I just publish. Okay, so this particular website is for people that just want to study abroad. Okay, all right, so let's go back to our dashboard and appearance menu. You can see I have all this in there. So what I'll do is this, I will just make sure that study abroad, I click it, all these new stuff that I did, I click on all those things and I add it to menu. So when I do that, it's going to load and everything is in here, but I want all these SAT, IELTS, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, I want it to be under study abroad. So what I will do here is this, I want contact source to be last, so I can drag it anyhow. You can see. So now I just have to drag it a little bit forward, so that everything will be under the study abroad. So I'm saving it right away. Okay, so let's reload our site. You can see by the time you have all those things in there. So now we want to remove this icon. Okay, so and want to create a register button, but that register page, I want it to be a place where you can just fill a form. Okay, so I have to go back again. Now what I'll do is that I have to right click and open the new tab, don't mind me. So what I want to do is that here I have customized. So by the time I click on customize, that is where I can actually remove the search that is actually here, because I don't like it, and that is where I can actually censor all these menu. All right, so I'm clicking on it right away. All right, I think you have to, okay, is there. I want to actually pause the video so that we'll be on Steam, but never mind, we are there. So all I have to do is just come straight down to menu. Sorry, let me scroll down to okay, All right. Okay. I think I have to pause the video for some time to actually locate where we're actually going to find this contact bot. So I'll be right back. There is now okay under these header, just click on header. Let me go back. You have a whole lot of options, so just scroll down to header under top bar. So by the time you do that, you locate where you can see menu. So like I said, I want to remove this place content here, this thin line. We want to remove it, and at the same time we want to actually make sure that we remove this search. So here, just scroll down a little to see where you can see search icon. So under the search icon, just click on drop down and click on disabled. You see the search icon is no more there, and at the same time this menu that is actually located at the right hand side, I want it to be center. So you have to scroll up and make sure that you actually centralize all your words or your menu. So this edu console supposed to be a logo. We'll try and look at how we can design a simple logo using Canva. All right, so this top level drop down icon, drop top border is what we want to remove. So by the time you click on that don't want it, it's going to actually disappear. All right, so okay, so let's save. Let's publish right now. By the time you publish it, that means we are here to actually move on. All right, top level drop down icon, we don't want it, we can disable it. So okay. All right, so okay, I think we're good to go now. Right, last but not the least, you have to ensure that this set recent posts on all those things, we remove it. But if we want to do that, we have to go straight down to our dashboard and go back to home page, all page, and scroll down to home page. What is our home page? This is our home page. Click on edit. All right, and scroll down. By the time you scroll down, if you've not installed Ocean Extra, activate Ocean Extra. You will not see this option, so you ensure that you have activated your Ocean Extra. So what is Ocean Extra? Ocean Extra is our plugin that we activate with Elementor. So here you just come to main menu, this main, just click on full width and scroll down. And the second thing I want to also do is that this home, I don't want us to see it there again. You go back to title and you click on disable. Main menu, you make it full width. Under title, you actually disable. So update your words page. We are inside the home page, don't forget. So every page has this particular word option, and that is what we are going to be making use of. All right, let's save it and let's rerun our program and our website. Okay, we're reloading our website. Okay, you can see this thing, nothing is there right now. So in the next tutorial, we're going to take a look at how we're going to be adding content and building our website with Elementor. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you actually enjoy this. In the next tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to start developing with Elementor page builder. Thank you guys, and get ready for the next one.